Bitcoin taking a bit of a breather. Old man BTC, he's having a relax, man. He's having a chill. He's had a big week of work and he's taking a breather, man. And that's fine. I'm fine with that, Bitcoin. Take a rest, buddy, because you had a $10,000 candle the other day, which is insanity beyond belief. Okay, so we're going to talk about the price of Bitcoin, some of the big news going on. It's been absolutely nuts. And do not be fooled by this little moment of chill for Bitcoin because they're on the way. The retail herds are coming fast. And I've got evidence for that. Plus other big news, Ethereum news, Aptos news, memecoin news. We got all kinds of stuff. Let's go ahead and jump straight into this. Talk about the price of Bitcoin, which we're not going to be talking about very long because there's not that much to report on. We had an incredible breakout. It's been a beauty of a run. Came up to this 1.618 Fibonacci line as drawn from the top of the price action this year to the bottom of the price action this year, from the swing high to the swing low. Logical place to take a little bit of break here, right? Hit 90K. Fine. Maybe we're going to form a nice little bull flag here. We could see. Let's let the next couple of days of price action play out. Of course, every time the price is not immediately pumping up by $1,000 every 5 minutes, everybody starts, oh, it's the end of the bull market. It's all over. No, we're just getting started, okay? We're just getting started or I'm going to lose all my money. Either way, we'll figure it out. But we're just getting started, guys. We're just getting started. We got a long way to go here for this bull market cycle, okay? This is just the breakout. We got a lot more price action to go after the initial breakout happens, okay? And I know, I'll see the comments down there, but no, the other thing you're not thinking about is all going to zero. I disagree. Let's just put it that way. Next day here with a great chart saying potentially another 10 months of bull market and plenty of room for upside left. However, the majority do not see us exceeding 100K to 150K this cycle. Many will be surprised. Yes, this is 100K is definitely too low. And I know people are going to be like, oh, but we're not going to even get it to 100. We're going to get to 100K, guys, okay? Or I guess I'm just wrong about everything all the time and you can troll me for the next 4 years that we never got to 100K, okay? I'll look forward to those comments. 150K, that feels like the sort of minimum bull market target, okay? 200K, that's what I've been saying for a long time. If we get a little bit beyond that to like 250K, pico top, would not be surprised either. Much beyond that, though, I start to get a bit hesitant to start talking about numbers like 300, 400, 500, 700K. I've seen all these numbers thrown around in my comment section by other people on social media, other crypto content creators, and I think that gets a little bit too crazy, man. 250K would be epic, okay, as like the pico top for 5 minutes price. But we do have a lot of upside left. And look at all this stuff here, man. That's a lot of upside. All these indicators are basically near rock damn bottom. Ali here sharing Bitcoin rising price action, but long-term holders show no signs of extreme greed yet. Think about that, right? The breakout's here. We're not even at extreme greed yet on the NUPL, man. The NUPL, the net unrealized profit loss indicator. Lots of room to the upside. Wall Street, online flowers delivery in the UAE. Let's go. They're trying to tell me something. So it's my wife's birthday coming up pretty soon. I don't know. I should probably check into that. Anyway, check this out. $817 million. Dudes, look at the inflows this week. This has been utter insanity. We've had $2 billion dumped in by Wall Street in the first 2 days of trading this week. What? That's great. That's 2 months of Bitcoin miner production almost, by the way, in 2 days. I mean, the amount of Bitcoin being just inhaled by the greedy fat whales over at Wall Street is just, it's completely unseen in the history of Bitcoin. We have never seen a situation like this before. It's completely unprecedented. The level of demand, it's the most successful ETF launch ever in the history of ETFs. It's blown away the gold ETFs, which only have $20 billion or so. BlackRock's almost up to $30 billion in Bitcoin. Dudes, are you seeing with $27 billion total net inflow for the year for Bitcoin? These are huge numbers, folks. By the way, if you're a cryptocurrency trader, you need to listen up because this is an insane offer I've got for you. It's a limited time deal. It only goes until November 23rd. This is BitUnix. So it's a great cryptocurrency exchange where you can trade spot altcoins. You can trade futures for all the popular stuff. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Dogwoof Hat, Dogecoin, whatever your preference may be. No KYC. You heard that right. No KYC. You can come over here and enjoy a bit of privacy with your trading experience. And they have a super hot deal right now. Deposit $200, get $150 back. Okay, so here's how you do it. Step 1, use the link down below in the description. Step 2, deposit $200. Step 3, get your $150 USDT trading bonus. Okay, you can use that USDT to do trades and just enjoy yourself. Make some money. Check it out. If you are a cryptocurrency trader, again, that's a limited time offer. Link down below. No KYC, $150 free. Go check it out. So now we said, be careful, okay? They're coming. Don't let this current momentary consolidation of the price under a major area of, Fibonacci target resistance here, okay? Don't let that fool you. Google searches for Bitcoin surge as price hits a record of $90,000 the other day. Coinbase App Store ranking has jumped from 485 to 21 in just 1 week. Now that's FOMO kicking in. And I think to an extent, this is probably a lot of people who bought crypto before and are coming back into the market. I think we'll see that move down a little bit in the App Store ranking over the next few days. But when we get this thing to number 1, I mean, I'll be really conflicted if it hits number 1 on the App Store and Bitcoin's only 100K. I'll feel like crap. That's an obvious top indicator, but it's way too early. We'll see. We'll keep an eye on that. But they're coming. Retail's definitely paying attention. The herds are starting to come. The water hole's starting to get pretty busy, guys. Coinbase flips PayPal to become the number 2 Apple App Store finance app in the USA. Crypto.com is number 5, by the way. Cash App also sells Bitcoin. PayPal also sells Bitcoin. And Robinhood sells Bitcoin. The top 5 finance apps in the USA right now all sell crypto. Sign of the times, baby. Coinbase is launching their Coin 50 index, which basically allows you to invest in a weighted portfolio of crypto coins, which is very interesting, actually. So it's half Bitcoin, 28% Ethereum, 6% Solana, 3% XRP, 1.5% Dogecoin, and the other 45 coins that they've included here make up the other 10% of this portfolio, of this product. This is pretty cool. I'm glad somebody finally did this. You know, I know there's been some attempts at this before, but I mean, it's Coinbase doing it this time, so it's going to be, worthwhile, let's say. This is very interesting. Another company buying Bitcoin. Guys, there's literally not enough coins out there. There just isn't. It's insane. AI company Genius Group adopts Bitcoin as its primary treasury asset, owned by $120 million with Bitcoin. Genius Group will also start accepting Bitcoin payments. They said we see Bitcoin as being the primary store of value that will power these exponential technologies. They're going to buy more. You watch. They're going to start running the MicroStrategy playbook, man. They'll buy more. The amount of companies out there buying Bitcoin, right? We had Metaplanet over in Japan, and we have Tesla's got $1 billion in Bitcoin now, and on and on and on. Microsoft holding their vote on that next month, whether or not they're going to burn up some of their cash and buy some Bitcoin. Big things are happening, guys. Ethereum ETFs seeing another day of positive inflows, 135 million in yesterday, which I know is nothing like what we're seeing with Bitcoin, but the fact of the matter is that Wall Street's starting to pay attention to Ethereum. Slowly but surely, the tide is shifting for ETH, okay? It is. Look at this. We're now finally, we are net positive inflows for Ethereum. We are now $94 million net positive inflows, okay? So we've had all of this grayscale Ethereum that's been, dumped out. Now, look at this. We're finally in the positive, man. Took a while. Jason Yanowitz here from Blockworks sharing his take on Ethereum 3.0. He says, I'm sorry, but does this actually say that Ethereum 3.0 ships in 2029? Nothing ships on time, so realistically it'll be 2031. That's 7 years from now. Yo, Ethereum, you gotta get somebody has got to make sure that Vitalik never gets anywhere near a woman ever again. Lock that boy in a room somewhere and just let him code, man. In fact, all the Ethereum devs, you guys are in monk mode. Stay away from girls, okay, and just go code relentlessly, okay? We got tech we need to ship here, guys. All right, I just used Uniswap on Ethereum main chain yesterday. It cost me $50 to make a transaction. No bueno, man. No bueno, okay? Anyway, jokes aside, Jason here also says, and that's just to improve the consensus layer, not data availability, not the Ethereum virtual machine. That is actual insanity. Go ship a damn product. Amen to that. Stop going to damn DevCons. Stop having DevCons. Stop having conferences. No girlfriends, okay? Just monk mode only. Tie these guys down to their computers for 16 hours a day and just get it happening, man. Get it happening. Come on. You know, this is Ethereum's real challenge, is to deliver a better layer one experience, right? Oh, I know Base is great. I love using Base. I use Base all the time, right? Ethereum layer 2 from Coinbase. Fantastic. I love it. Linea is coming really soon. They confirmed their token launch in Q1. Watch out for, Foxy, big meme coin over on Linea, by the way. I hold that, by the way. If you ever want to see my portfolio disclosures, I own Ethereum and other stuff we talk about in today's video. You can see my full portfolio disclosures down below in the YouTube description, pin comment over an X, current holdings, OTC deals, private round deals, all that kind of stuff. Plus a risk statement, because investing in crypto is risky. You can lose all of your money. No, seriously. And past performance does not equate to future performance, obviously. Okay, so, there's a meme of Vitalik as an old man, and it's like, Ethereum update finally ships. It's like, dude, you're not supposed to make the meme into a reality. Come on. Bitwise, interesting announcement for my Aptos bags. They say for European investors, we're excited to announce that a new Bitwise Aptos staking ETP is scheduled to list on the 6th Swiss exchange November 19th. Nice. Aptos, a high-performance layer on blockchain, has grown more than 8 million monthly active users since the launch in 2022. Now this is super cool. Is a Aptos staking ETP, so it'll actually pay out rewards, right? Aptos, definitely, I think, going to be one of the higher hype chains of the cycle. And the fact that we're getting now institutional exposure for that asset, very good. And we're going to see a whole wave of U.S. ETF products, and Aptos will probably be one of those that gets an early ETF in the USA. McDonald's, they are loving it, apparently, for NFTs. So they're partnering up with Doodles, the Doodles NFT collection, which is a nice NFT collection. We've talked about them before back in the day. Obviously, NFTs are, gosh, are we really going to do NFTs again, guys? Seriously? Can't we just stick with meme coins, man? It's so much purer. Just lots of liquidity. Okay. Nah, it's the same bullshit, but just with more liquidity sometimes until it's rug pulled. Anyway, this is big for Web3, I think, more broadly, and could see a resurgence of interest in NFTs. Perhaps, but pretty cool. I mean, hey, shout out to Doodles. You got a partnership with McD's, dog. Let's go. Bitcoin News reporting there's an 88% chance that pro-Bitcoin Scott Bessent will become the next Treasury Secretary under the Trump administration. Dudes, we're going to have a pro-Bitcoin Treasury Secretary and a pro-Bitcoin SEC head. Are you kidding me? The regulatory scene in America is about to go absolutely nuts for crypto. Just watch. Donald Trump appointed Elon Musk and Vivek Ramaswamy to lead the Department of Government Efficiency, the DOGE department. They really let him do it, man. Donald let him do it. They named it DOGE, man. So Trump and Elon and Vivek are all literally going to be out there pumping DOGE every single day for the next 4 years. Oh, yes, go tell me your bearish theories on the future of cryptocurrencies. Yeah. And in other meme coin news, the dead squirrel, Peanut, it's gone absolutely nuts, man. Look at this. Reached a $1.3 billion market cap in the 10 days since its creation. It's now the 4th largest Solana meme coin by market cap. I do not know how long the dead squirrel meta is really going to last, but what the fuck? I mean, what is going on out here? I've had too much of the internet for today. Guys, if you're not signed up to the newsletter yet, get signed up to the newsletter. Check it out. It's awesome. You'll love it. 145,000 people a week read this bad boy, and you can be one of those people. You can join up, man. It's a popular place to be, popular place to hang out. We are sending you loads of information every single week. Latest on meme coins, latest on altcoins, altcoin deep dives, and loads of other stuff. The news, also the news. It's the newsletter. We talk about the news. It's nuts, I know. Check it out. You'll love it. Link down below. Thanks so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you back for the next one. Peace.